Assalamu alaikum girls, class 4, open your books on page 80. In the last class we were studying about the machine, so we are continuing the same topic. The second machine is inclined plane. Inclined plane. So an inclined plane has a slanting surface. Slanting means this kind of surface means slanting surface. It is higher at one end and lower at the other end. So here it is higher and then lower at the other end. It helps in easy rolling object from lower to higher or higher to lower surfaces. For example, a ramp or a sloping rod. For example, see, the things can roll from up to down and from down to up both sides. This is inclined plane and this is also a simple machine. The third simple machine is screw. A screw is an inclined plane, but it is wrapped around a cylindrical pole. So what is the cylindrical pole? This is the cylindrical pole and this is the inclined plane which is wrapped around the cylindrical pole. No, this is the cylindrical pole. See, you can see the cylindrical pole here. Cylindrical pole means these, like it's like a cylinder here, okay? And it is, they say that it is a inclined plane. So actually this is also an inclined plane with cylindrical pole. It is used to fasten or hold things together. And a drill is an example of a screw. You know, a drill machine, that is also an example of screw. By rotating it, the screw can be driven into objects to hold them together. We know that if we are rotating the screw will go inside the wood or the log or anything, and it is going to hold together the different things. And now they are talking about the inclined plane. An inclined plane has a sloping surface. This is the sloping surface that reduces the force needed to raise a load. Because of this surface, you can easily reduce the force which is needed to raise a load. If you are standing here and if you are pulling something towards you, it is easy for you because you are using less force, okay? The next machine is wheel and axle. Wheel and axle. So actually, where is the wheel? This is the wheel and this is the axle. Understand? So an axle is a rod that goes through a wheel and allows the wheel to move with it. So actually you are fixing a wheel on a rod, and this is known as wheel and axle. It is a simple machine which rolls easily and is used for moving heavy loads or to multiply the distance traveled. So actually when you are using wheel and axle, it is used to it is used for moving heavy loads, and you can also use it for multiplying the distance traveled because it is easy for the people to travel with the help of wheels. Cars, cycles and wagons all move with the help of wheel and axles. Okay, so as we know, wheel and axle is also a machine. So if you see here, this is the wheel and this is the axle, and here this is the wheel and here there is one axle. So the wheel can be in the wheel can be at one end and wheel can be at both ends. This is also an example of wheel and axle. This is the wheel and this is the axle, okay? So when we are going to use this, we are going to uh, make it easy for us to travel and to transport things also. So we can use it for moving heavy loads. Understand?